Hello my friend, welcome to my channel. Today I've got Dollish Polish. Welcome to the Forks and Zoya Dallas. Here is Dollish Polish. Welcome to the Forks. This one was given to me by my bud, Miss Tammy. And I'm sorry I missed out on some of this. This video has some technical issues, so I'm just going to go ahead and just straight up tell you that. So hopefully everything looks decent on your end. So I'm definitely going to do 2 coats of this. It's a beautiful polish. It's got some shimmer and some kind of duochrome-y look to it. And I always like polishes like that. And here we go with our second coat of Welcome to the Forks. It's got a really good formula too. I love it. I am going to top it with Pure Ice Girl on the Run today. I'm having to relearn how to load the brush. Get enough top coat on there to, get it across the nail. There we go. I'm going to cap my fridge. And here is a swatch photo of it on its own in its gorgeousness. And here is Zoya. And this is Dallas. It's so tiny it's hard to see, but that's Dallas. Beautiful topper. So I'm going to top most of my nails with this. I'm going to leave, well, I'm going to do my accents on my thumb and my ring fingernail. Do some stamping on them. Hi Woody, how you doing? Good job, look at that. Yes, yes. So I decided to only go with 1 layer of this topper. I didn't want to go too crazy. I just wanted to play with it and see how it looked over, a darker color. And then now for this pinky nail. So here we go. And pardon the shadowing. I am working on my setup again, so hopefully videos will start looking better. There we go. This is Moyra stamping plate, and this is the 03 Ornaments. I'll be using So Metal by Maniology and Braves Diva Shut Out for the stamping today. Got my ice cube stamper and my Maniology scraper, and there's where the technical issues happened. You didn't get to see me stamp any of this, and I am so sorry. But we're going to still share this Mani. I am going to top the stamped one with some smudge-free top coat from Maniology. My apologies, y'all, I swear. And then I'm going to top everything off with Moonshine Mani's Let's Go top coat. Seal this one in and call it to did. Once again, I apologize for the technical difficulties. Sometimes I lose footage, and after going through all this trouble of doing a manicure, I still feel the need to share it. I just hope you guys will hang in there with me. It's not always bad, so we have issues sometimes. So here's my swatch photo. I hope you enjoyed this one. Leave me a comment down below. I always love hearing from you. Thanks for watching. Until next time, be good to yourself.